All right, so today we're going to be looking at this product online that it's really interesting. It's called eCommerce Institute PLR.
Interesting.
And basically, it's this program that claims it can help you build a 7-figure e-commerce business.
Okay.
You know, work from the beach, sipping mojitos all day.
Oh, yeah. The dream.
Exactly.
Dream.
So, obviously there's a lot of these kinds of things online.
For sure.
So we're going to be taking a deep dive into this product.
Okay.
And we're going to be going through the sales page. We're going to be going through all the claims.
Okay.
And we're going to see what stands out to us.
Okay.
Now, the creator of this product is Francis Ochoko.
Okay.
And he was actually the first ever eBay Entrepreneur of the Year.
Wow.
So that's kind of a cool,
Yeah.
cool little tidbit there.
Yeah. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, that is.
It definitely gives him some credibility right off the bat.
Right.
Yeah.
So, the sales page is very interesting. It really plays up this rags to riches story. You know, he talks about how he was struggling.
Right.
You know, he spent thousands of dollars on courses that didn't deliver.
Yeah, a lot of people can relate to that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And so,
That's a good marketing tactic.
it is.
You know, play on people's pain points.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
makes you feel like, oh, I've been there.
Yeah.
I've done that.
I bought those courses.
Exactly.
It didn't work.
So, he's really trying to connect with his audience.
Right.
People who are maybe struggling to make money online.
Yeah. People who are feeling frustrated.
Yes.
Maybe they've tried other things
Yeah.
and haven't seen success.
Yeah.
So they're looking for that solution.
Exactly.
Okay.
So let's get into the actual course.
Okay, let's do it.
It's broken down into 5 sections.
Okay.
Each section focuses on a different aspect of building an e-commerce business.
Right.
So the first section is called the e-commerce formula.
And this is kind of like the foundation.
Right.
It's all about, finding your niche, researching suppliers,
Oh, yeah.
creating a brand.
So the essentials.
Yeah.
The building blocks.
You can't build a house without a solid foundation.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got to have that good base.
So, section 2 is called Where to Find 100 Million Products to Dropship.
Ooh, 100 million.
Yeah.
That's a lot of products.
It is a lot of products.
Wow. Okay.
So this section focuses on dropshipping,
Okay.
which is a very popular business model these days.
Yeah, it is.
Essentially, you're selling products without actually holding any inventory.
Yeah. You're kind of like the middleman.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You connect the buyer with the supplier,
Right.
and you take a cut of the profit.
Okay, so you don't have to worry about storing inventory.
No, you don't have to worry about shipping.
Yeah.
It's all handled by the supplier.
Okay. That's a pretty attractive model for a lot of people.
It is.
Especially beginners.
Especially if you're just starting out.
Yeah.
You don't have to invest a lot of money up front.
Yeah. Low barrier to entry.
So,
Okay.
section 3 is called Examples of Hot Selling Products.
Okay, this sounds interesting.
Yeah.
So how to find those winning products.
Yeah, so this section is all about identifying products that are already selling well.
Okay, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You're looking for products with 6- and 7-figure potential.
Wow.
Products that are already proven to be successful.
Okay, so finding those gems
Yes.
that are already out there.
So
Perfect.
section 4 is all about scaling your business.
Okay.
It's called Scaling to 7 Figures and More.
All right, so this is where you take it to the next level.
Yeah, this is where you go from,
Right.
making a few $1,000s a month
Yeah.
to potentially making hundreds of thousands
To building that empire.
or even millions of dollars a month.
Okay.
So this section covers things like,
Okay.
paid advertising,
Yeah.
building a team,
Right.
automating your business.
Okay. So all the things you need to do to grow.
Yeah, all the advanced strategies
Yeah.
that you need to know
Okay.
to really scale your business.
All right.
And then finally, section 5 is called Making Money Without an E-commerce Store or Amazon.
Ooh, interesting.
Yeah.
So this is outside the box.
This is outside the box.
Okay.
This is not your typical drop shipping or Amazon FBA course.
Right.
This is something completely different.
So what could that be?
That's what we're going to find out.
All right.
He doesn't really reveal too much on the sales page.
Yeah, he's keeping it a little bit mysterious.
Yeah.
Picking our curiosity.
He's building up the suspense.
Yeah.
But,
Okay.
it sounds very intriguing.
It does.
I'm curious to see what he's got.
Me too.
So, those are the 5 sections of the course.
Okay, so it seems like a pretty comprehensive curriculum,
Yeah.
covering a lot of different aspects.
From the basics to the advanced stuff.
Yeah.
Now, what's really interesting about this product is
Okay.
it also comes with private label rights.
Okay, what does that mean?
So PLR means that you can actually buy this course
Okay.
and then resell it as your own.
Wow.
So you get all the course materials, the videos, the sales page.
So you don't have to create anything.
You don't have to create anything from scratch.
You just rebrand it and sell it?
You rebrand it.
Okay.
You put your name on it.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
And you can sell it as your own product.
Okay, so you can make money from the course itself and then also from selling the course.
Exactly. So you have 2 potential income streams.
Okay, that's a pretty sweet deal.
It is a pretty sweet deal.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're going to be taking a deeper dive into all of this.
Okay.
We're going to be looking at the sales tactics, the testimonials, the bonuses, and all that good stuff.
Ta-da.
So stay tuned.
All right, I'm excited.
We'll be back in a jiffy.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so we're back.
We are back.
Now let's talk about...
Let's talk about the sales page itself.
Yes, the sales page. It's very well crafted.
Oh, yeah, it's a masterpiece.
It's very persuasive.
Yeah, they definitely know what they're doing.
They know how to market.
Yeah, they're hitting all the right buttons.
For sure.
You know, the pain points.
Yes.
The scarcity tactics.
Yes.
They're even saying this offer is only available to, like...
Soren's friends.
Soren's friend. Yeah.
Like, you're special.
Yeah,
Don't miss out.
Exactly. It's very clever.
It is.
But, you know, it works.
It does work.
It creates that sense of urgency.
Yeah. FOMO.
Fear
of missing out.
Yeah. You don't want to miss out on this amazing opportunity.
Right. Yeah.
So, they also use a lot of testimonials on the sales page.
Oh, yeah. Testimonials are huge.
Huge.
Yeah.
Social proof.
Social proof is so powerful.
It's like,
yeah,
if other people are having success with this,
right,
then it must be good.
it must work down.
Right.
Yeah, it builds that trust.
It does.
It builds credibility.
Like when you see a restaurant with a line out the door.
Exactly.
You're like,
you got to try it.
Okay, there must be something good here.
Yeah, there's a reason why everyone's waiting.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So,
okay.
You know, the testimonials, they really add to the credibility of the product.
Yeah, and they're using testimonials from people who have bought Francis's other products.
Right.
So people who have already had success with him.
So it's not just random people.
Yeah, it's not just like fake testimonials.
Well, people who have actually purchased his products before.
Right, so it's like proof that he can deliver.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's really good.
That's really smart.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now let's talk about the PLR aspect.
Okay. The private label rights.
Yeah.
So what are the benefits of that?
So the biggest benefit is that you can actually create your own product.
Okay.
Without having to create it from scratch.
Right.
You get everything you need. The videos.
The sales page.
The marketing materials.
Or marketing materials.
So it's like a business in a box.
It is a business in a box.
Yeah.
You just rebrand it.
Put your name on it.
Put your name on it.
And start selling.
And start selling.
That's amazing.
It is pretty amazing.
Yeah.
So, you know, if you're someone who's maybe not very creative.
Right.
Or you don't have a lot of time.
Or you don't want to spend months creating a course.
This is a great option.
Yeah, this is a huge shortcut.
It is a huge shortcut.
Yeah.
And, you know, you can potentially make a lot of money from it.
Absolutely.
But of course,
yeah,
there are challenges.
Right. It's not just a walk in the park.
No.
You have to actually market the product.
Yes. You have to market it.
You have to get it out there.
You have to differentiate yourself.
Right, because there's going to be other people selling the same course.
Exactly.
So you have to find a way to stand out.
You have to find your unique angle.
Yeah, your unique selling proposition.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's something to keep in mind.
Definitely something to think about.
Okay.
Okay.
Now let's talk about traffic.
Traffic.
Because traffic is the lifeblood of any online business.
Absolutely.
If you don't have traffic,
you're not going to make any sales.
You're not going to make any sales.
It doesn't matter how good your product is.
It's like having a store.
Yeah.
In the middle of the desert.
In the middle of nowhere.
No one's going to find it.
No one's going to see it.
So, thankfully, Francis addresses this.
Okay, good.
In the product.
Right.
He actually includes 7 bonus PLR video tutorials.
Wow, 7 bonuses.
7 bonuses.
Okay.
All about traffic generation.
So he's really covering all the bases.
He is.
Okay.
So he covers things like
right.
free traffic methods.
Like what?
Like social media marketing, content marketing,
and
SEO.
Search engine optimization.
Yes.
Okay.
And then he also covers paid traffic methods.
Like?
Facebook ads.
Okay.
Google ads.
Yeah.
Solo ads.
So a good mix of free and paid.
A good mix.
Okay.
So you can choose what works best for you.
Yeah, find what fits your budget.
Exactly.
Okay.
So,
Right.
he really gives you a lot of different options for driving traffic to your website.
Yeah, that's important because traffic can be a challenge,
It can be,
especially for beginners.
especially when you're first starting out.
Yeah,
You don't know where to start.
right.
So,
Okay.
these bonus tutorials are really valuable.
Yeah, they can save you a lot of time and money.
For sure.
Okay. Now let's talk about,
Let's talk about the 7-figure claim.
yes, the
Yeah.
7-figure claim. Now,
Yeah.
obviously, not everyone's going to make 7 figures.
Right. That's important to remember.
It's important to be realistic,
Yeah.
but it is possible.
It is possible.
But it takes
It takes a lot of hard work,
a lot of hard work
dedication,
and a little bit of luck.
and a little bit of luck.
Yeah.
It's not going to happen overnight.
No, it's a marathon, not a sprint.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But if you're willing to put in the effort and you're consistent,
Yeah,
you can achieve amazing things.
absolutely.
So,
Okay.
don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately.
Yeah, just keep going.
Just keep going,
Keep learning.
keep learning,
Keep improving.
and eventually you will see success.
Yeah, success is a journey,
It is a journey.
not a destination.
So,
Okay.
we've covered a lot of ground here,
We have.
but there's still more to discuss.
Oh, yeah, we're just getting started.
We're going to be talking about the ethical considerations of the PLR model.
Okay.
We're going to be talking about some potential pitfalls to watch out for.
Right.
And we're going to be wrapping everything up
Okay, sounds good.
with some final thoughts.
I'm excited.
Okay, so we're back for the final part of our deep dive.
Right, grand finale.
Yeah, into this eCommerce Institute PLR product.
Okay.
Now, we've talked about the curriculum, the
The
bonuses,
sales page.
PLR as
Yeah, we've covered a lot of ground.
We have.
But there's still a few things
yeah,
we need to talk about.
like the elephant in the room.
Yeah,
Can you really make 7 figures
right.
online?
That's super possible?
Is it just hype?
Yeah, is it just a pipe dream?
So,
Well,
it's a good question.
it is a good question.
And the answer is,
It depends.
it depends.
Yeah,
It's not a simple yes or no.
it's not a guarantee.
No,
It's possible.
it is possible.
But it's not easy.
No, it's not
It
easy.
takes work,
A lot of work.
dedication,
Consistency.
and yeah, a little bit of luck.
A little bit of luck never hurts.
Yeah,
But, it's not impossible.
right. Anyone can do it
Anyone can do it.
if they're willing to put in the effort.
If you're willing to put in the work,
Yeah,
you can achieve anything.
absolutely.
So don't get discouraged.
Yeah, don't give up.
If you don't see results right away,
It takes time.
it takes time.
Yeah,
Rome wasn't built in a day.
exactly.
So just keep going.
Keep learning.
Keys hustling.
Keep growing.
And eventually, you will see success.
Yeah, you got this.
All right, so now let's talk about,
The ethical considerations.
yes, the ethical considerations
Of the PLR.
of the PLR model.
Mm-hmm.
Now, some people might feel a little iffy about this.
Yeah, some people might think it's a little shady.
Yeah,
Like you're not really creating your own product.
You're just reselling someone else's.
Right.
So it's not inherently unethical.
Right, it depends on how you do it.
Depends on how you approach it.
Yeah.
You just take the course,
Slap your name on it
slap your name on it.
and sell it as your own.
Yeah, that's not cool.
That's not cool.
That's not adding any value.
Right, you're not really providing any unique insights.
Exactly.
You're just being a middleman.
But if you take the course
Mm-hmm.
and you add your own spin to it,
Right?
you create your own bonuses,
Yeah.
you target a specific niche,
Okay, so you're making it your own.
you're making it your own,
Yeah.
then it's a different story.
Right, you're adding value.
You're providing something unique.
You're becoming an expert in your own right.
Exactly.
Okay.
So it really comes down to how you approach it.
Yeah. It's all about integrity.
It's all about being ethical
Right.
and transparent.
Yeah. Be upfront with your customer.
Let them know what they're getting.
Yeah.
So now let's talk about some potential pitfalls.
Okay. The things to watch out for.
Yes, the things to avoid.
Yeah, the mistakes that people often make.
So the first pitfall is
Not do your research.
not doing your market research.
Yeah.
You need to make sure there's actually a demand for your product
Right. You don't want to create a product
that nobody wants.
that nobody wants.
Yeah.
So do your homework.
Research your niche.
Make sure there's an audience.
Make sure people are actually willing to pay for what you're offering.
Okay. Good advice.
The second pitfall is
Neglecting your marketing.
neglecting your marketing.
Yeah.
You can have the best product in the world.
But if nobody knows about it,
If nobody knows about it,
it's not going to sell.
it's not going to sell.
Yeah, you have to get the word out.
You have to market it.
Yeah.
So don't be afraid to invest in marketing,
Right.
whether it's paid advertising or
Right.
content marketing
Or social media.
or whatever.
Yeah.
Just make sure you're getting your message out there.
Okay.
And the final pitfall is
Poor customer service.
Poor customer service.
Yeah.
In the online world,
Reputation is everything.
reputation is everything.
Yeah.
One bad review
Can ruin your business.
can ruin your business.
Yeah. So make sure you're providing excellent customer service.
Respond to emails promptly.
Go above and beyond.
Resolve issues quickly.
Yeah. Make your customers happy.
Make your customers happy.
Okay.
So those are some potential pitfalls
To watch out for.
to watch out for.
Okay.
Now
Yeah.
we've reached the end
The end of our deep dive.
of our deep dive.
It's been a journey.
It has been a journey.
We've learned a lot
We
about e-commerce,
about PLR
about making money online,
and about
doing your research.
and providing excellent customer service.
Yeah.
So if you're
About-
interested in learning more,
About this eCommerce Institute PL product.
you can check it out at
tiny.cc/ECOMMIN.
that's tiny.cc/ECOMMIN.
All right.
So that's it for today.
Thanks for joining us.
We hope you enjoyed our deep dive
Yeah, and we'll see you next time.
for another deep dive.
Into the world of online business.
All right, bye for now.
Bye.